Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class KG. Today we are going to do work of vocabulary with K and L on the page number 12 of your book Al Hira Vocabulary Workbook. Al Hira Vocabulary Workbook. Here we have vocabulary with K. K ka, K ka, K ka, key, K ka, kite, key, K ka, kite, K ka, key. Now we use the word key in sentence and we are using that for making the sentence. And remember these things always, students, we use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence, and use a with words starting with consonants. Okay, now look, when we start writing a simple sentence, we should always write capital letter in the beginning as the capital letter written here, and we should put full stop at the end of the sentence like this. And we always use a with words starting with consonants. We always use a with those words which are starting with consonants, and you can see K is the consonant, and we will use a with the consonant words, with those words which start with the consonants. So when we make the sentence, use of that in the sentence. So we will write like this: that is a key. That is a key. फिर से पढ़ेंगे, that is a key. Now we are using the word kite in sentence. We are going to make the sentence of kite, and when we are making the sentence of kite, we are using that. We are using that. And when we start writing a sentence, we use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and we put full stop at the end of the sentence. And remember what I told you before? I told you we always use a with words starting with consonants. You can see K is also a consonant. So kite, it is starting with the letter K, and K is consonant, and that's why we use here a. So write the sentence like this: that is a kite. Read after me: that is a kite. That is a kite. Now here we have vocabulary with L. Vocabulary with L. Ella, lamp. Ella, loin. Ella, lamp. Ella, loin. Read after me: Ella, lamp. Ella, loin. Now we are making the sentence of lamp, and we are using that in the simple sentence. We are using that in simple sentence. Okay, as I told you before, and you have to remember these steps, these rules to write the sentence. Always use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence as the sentence written here, and you can see the first letter of the sentence is capital. The first letter of the sentence is capital. Here the T is capital. This sentence is starting with T, so we write the T in capital letter. So that is a lamp, and we put full stop at the end of the sentence, and we use A with the vowel, with the word which start with consonant, and we use A with consonant letter, and this word is also start with the consonant letter. That's why we are using here A. So that is a lamp. That is a lamp. So remember students, when the word start with consonants, we should write with the consonant letter A. The word which start with consonant, we write A. We use A. So the sentence is, that is a lamp. Read after me. That is a lamp. When we make the sentence, you have to remember these three things. The first one is, you have to remember that the sentence, when we start writing, use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence, okay, and put full stop at the end of the sentence, and use A with those words which start with the consonants. Now here is line. We have to make the sentence of line, and we are using in our sentences that. So use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence, put full stop at the end of the sentence, and write A with the words which are starting with consonants. So we will write the sentence like this. That is a line. That is a line. Repeat it. That is a line. That is a key. That is a kite. That is a lamp. That is a line. And you can see in all these four sentences, when these sentences are starting, we use capital letter in all these sentences, and we use full stop at the end of the sentences, and we use A in all these sentences because all these words are starting with the consonants. Because all these words are starting with the consonants, that's why we use A in all these sentences. So we make these sentences like this. That is a key. That is a kite. That is a lamp. That is a line. So students, learn these sentences and make practice of these sentences and do the work on your Al-Hira English Al-Hira vocabulary workbook. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.